Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show y'all how I made this super cute pleated skirt out of some vests that I found at a thrift store. So I had bought like 7 of these vests for like $2, y'all, and y'all can see the price tag. I'm not lying. So I was like, I'm gonna make a cute little pleated skirt with this. I mean, I like the pattern, I like the color, and I like the fabric. It was very durable. So just follow along and y'all can pretty much see each step that I'm doing. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but if you get lost, just slow the video down and just take your time with it.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart.
And this is the finished look. Like, I love how it came out, and I wanted y'all to see some of my other models just dancing around. I wanted to do a top to go with it, but I had ran all the time, so I just used the vest and flipped it inside out. And these were some of the other girls. I love those khakis, y'all. I got so many compliments on them. I gotta make some more of them for y'all. But yes, y'all, the ladies look beautiful and they did a great job.
Who am I? All the niggas around me, right guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you
Gotta get you up in here.
yeah.
Gotta get you up in here. Yes, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you look at your program on the back of the program.
Know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was 2 of me, or 3 of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm